I shouldn't have come home. I know the risk, but I had no choice. I have to know her.
Dear Diary, today will be different. It has to be. I will smile, and it will be believable. My smile will say, I'm fine, thank you. Yes, I feel much better. I will no longer be the sad little girl who lost her parents. I will start fresh. Be someone new. It's the only way I'll make it through.
Toast. I can make toast.
It's all about the coffee, Aunt Jenna.
Is there coffee?
It's your first day of school and I'm totally unprepared. Lunch money?
Okay.
Anything else? A number 2 pencil? What am I missing?
Did you have a big presentation today?
I'm meeting with my thesis advisor at now. Crap.
Then go. We'll be fine. You okay?
Don't start.
Rams is telling me I'm psychic. Our ancestors were from Salem, which isn't all that. I know, crazy, but she's going on and on about it, and I'm like, put this woman in a home already. But then I started thinking, I predicted Obama, and I predicted Heath Ledger, and I still think Florida will break off and turn into little resort islands. Elena, back in the car.
I did it again, didn't I? I'm sorry, Bonnie. You were telling me that
I'm psychic now.
Right. Okay, then predict something about me.
I see. What was that? Oh my god. Elena, are you okay?
It's okay. I'm fine.
It was like a bird or something. It came out of nowhere.
Really, I can't be freaked out by cars for the rest of my life.
I predict this year is going to be kick-ass. And I predict all the sad and dark times are over and you are going to be beyond happy.